magic mixer maker. We're gonna be making all kinds of sweet treats. I hope mine turn out that good. And the crazy part about this set is it requires no baking at all. Okay, let's step into the kitchen and get started. Ooh, this looks like a bag of accessories. Here's some pieces to our machine. Oh, and the mixing bowl. No idea what that is, but I guess we'll find out. That must be the instructions. And we'll see what's inside that box later. And here's our magic mixer. Our mixing bowl goes in here and it locks in the bottom. Nice, it works! This part lifts up and down to get your bowl out. This set also came with a display, but it's going to require some assembling. The stand is made out of a thick cardboard. It's a little hard to bend. We just bend it like this until it forms an L. And then together the two pieces form a plus sign. And then we just slip it through here. We're gonna go from biggest to smallest. And there we have our 3-tier display. This set also came with 2 piping bags and 2 different style tips. 1 cupcake tray and 1 brownie tray, a measuring spoon, and a scraper. Now let's see what's in this box. Oh, it's all of our mixes. First we have our light pink icing, our brown icing, blue sprinkles, brownie mix, pink sprinkles, and our sprinkle cake mix. I think we should do that one first. Let's lift up the top and then pour it right into the bowl. Yum, it smells like funfetti. Have you guys ever had funfetti cake? So the instructions say to put 2 large scoops of warm water. Careful, careful. There's 1 scoop. And there's our second scoop. And then we push this down and spin the top. When you first start out, you should spin nice and slow so the dry powder doesn't fly everywhere. And then gradually you can go faster. Look at how fast I'm spinning it now. Yes, it's starting to look like cake mix. Okay, I think it's done. We'll just grab our cupcake tray and start filling it. I just love cupcakes. They're perfect for birthdays or just for dessert. Let me know in the comments what kind of cupcake's your favorite. Alright, now that they're all filled, we put it in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. Because remember, this set doesn't require any baking at all. While those are in the refrigerator, I'm going to go ahead and make the brownie mix. We do the same thing as the cake mix. We put the whole packet in and then put 2 scoops of warm water. Yum, that's looking great! Here's our brownie tray. This one looks like real brownie mix. Brownies are one of my favorite desserts. I like mine with a big scoop of vanilla ice cream on top. How about you guys? Once we're done scooping this in, we just put it in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. See you in 15 minutes. While we're waiting on the brownies and cupcakes, let's go ahead and make our frosting. This one's going to be our pink frosting. We just pour the entire bag in. And we'll lock this in place. Now we're going to use the small side to put 1.5 scoops in. little too much. And then we start spinning. But remember guys, go really slow at the beginning so the powder doesn't get everywhere. Look at all that frosting. Let's go ahead and put it in our piping bag. This set comes with really big piping bags, but since we don't have much frosting, I'm going to cut mine a little shorter. This will make putting the frosting in a lot easier. But before we can put in the frosting, we have to drop the tip in first. We'll just shimmy it to the bottom. Now let's scoop up all this frosting. This is going to be for our cupcakes. Once we have the frosting in there, we push it all the way down to the tip. And then we give it a little twist at the end to seal out all the air. I went ahead and did the brown frosting as well. Yes, our cupcakes are finally done! Oh, they come out really easily. Here's one of the hearts. The circle ones came out nice. I just love cupcakes. If you guys do too, give this video a thumbs up. Let's see if our brownie comes out as easily. It does! And it feels like a real cake, which is so crazy because we didn't even bake it. Time for the fun part. Let's start decorating our cupcakes. We'll just slowly go around in a circle. This strawberry frosting smells really good. And we'll end this with a little tip. Let's make a few more. This cupcake turned out great. What do you guys think? I love strawberry frosting. What kind of frosting is your favorite? Now that those are done, let's do our brownie. This is chocolate frosting. Chocolate on chocolate. I think it's missing something. Sprinkles! We'll use some of the pink sprinkles for our cupcakes. And this is a pretty big brownie. I'm gonna cut it into 4 pieces. That way it's easier to share. And since we have some extra pink frosting left, I'm gonna put a little flower on our brownies. And you guys know how much I love sprinkles. Let's sprinkle some on top of the brownies as well. I can't believe how well these turned out. Ta-da! Here's our tower of desserts. I think everything turned out great. I'm gonna go share these with my friends now. This set was so much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to see more. Thanks!
Also, if you haven't done so already, be sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. The links are in the description box below.